You need to watch this if you struggle with staying focused. Here's the secret to unlocking your potential: discipline. Discipline is the magic sauce that turns dreams into reality. It's not about being perfect, but about showing up, day in and day out. Remember that time you hit snooze and nailed your morning workout? That's discipline in action. Think about it. The most successful people aren't necessarily the smartest or the most talented. They're the ones who've mastered the art of discipline. They prioritize their goals, minimize distractions, and keep their eyes on the prize. So, next time you're tempted to procrastinate or get sidetracked, remember why you started. Break your goals into bite-sized tasks and tackle them one at a time. Celebrate small wins and keep pushing forward. Your future self is counting on you. Stay disciplined, stay focused, and watch your dreams come true. You've got this. It's also important to take care of your mental well-being. Meditation and journaling can help clear your mind and keep you focused on your goals. When you feel overwhelmed, take a step back and breathe. Reflect on your progress and remind yourself of your purpose. Engage in activities that rejuvenate your spirit. A balanced life is key to maintaining discipline and focus. Remember, it's not just about working hard, but also about working smart. Find efficient ways to achieve your goals without burning out. Use tools and techniques that help you stay organized and on track. A well-structured plan can make a huge difference in your productivity. Surround yourself with positive influences. Connect with people who inspire and motivate you. Having a support system can provide encouragement and accountability. Share your goals with others and seek their support. Lastly, be patient with yourself. Progress takes time and setbacks are a part of the journey. Embrace the challenges and learn from them. Every step, no matter how small, brings you closer to your dreams. Stay committed, stay focused, and keep pushing forward. Your hard work will pay off. Visualize your success and keep your goals in sight. Believe in yourself and your ability to achieve greatness. You've got this. Now go out there and make your dreams a reality. Building momentum is crucial to staying focused and achieving your goals. Just like a snowball rolling down a hill, small, consistent efforts can lead to massive results. Start by setting clear, achievable milestones. Each milestone you reach will fuel your motivation and confidence. Let's talk about success stories. Consider the journey of J.K. Rowling, who faced numerous rejections before Harry Potter became a global phenomenon. Her persistence and dedication are a testament to the power of staying focused on your dreams. Or think of Elon Musk, who overcame countless failures and setbacks to revolutionize multiple industries. These stories remind us that success is often just around the corner, even when times are tough. Practical advice: create a vision board. Visualizing your goals can make them feel more tangible and real. Place it somewhere you'll see it every day. This constant reminder will keep you aligned with your aspirations. Next, adopt the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes to complete, do it immediately. This simple practice can eliminate procrastination and build a habit of taking action. Another tip: schedule focus blocks in your day. Dedicate specific times for deep work, free from distractions. Use tools like the Pomodoro technique to maintain concentration and productivity. Remember, quality over quantity is key. Embrace the power of positive affirmations. Start your day with statements like, "I am capable, I am focused, and I will achieve my goals." These affirmations can rewire your mindset and boost your confidence. Lastly, don't be afraid to ask for help. Seek guidance from mentors. Join communities of like-minded individuals, and never underestimate the value of collaboration. Sometimes, a fresh perspective can provide the breakthrough you need. Remember, the road to success is rarely a straight path. There will be hurdles and challenges, but each one is an opportunity to grow stronger and wiser. Stay committed, stay resilient, and keep your eyes on the prize. You have everything it takes to turn your dreams into reality. Keep moving forward and success will follow. You've got this. Discipline and focus are the cornerstones of achieving greatness. Without them, even the best laid plans can fall apart. Let's dive into actionable steps to enhance these vital traits. First, set clear, specific goals. Instead of saying, "I want to get fit," say, "I will work out for 30 minutes 5 days a week." Specificity provides a clear path and makes your goals more attainable. Next, create a routine and stick to it. Consistency breeds discipline. For example, author Stephen King writes every single day, even on holidays. This unwavering commitment has allowed him to produce an incredible body of work. An essential tool is time blocking. Allocate specific times for different tasks throughout your day. This method helps manage your time effectively and ensures you focus on one task at a time. For instance, Elon Musk divides his day into 5-minute blocks to maximize productivity. Practice mindfulness and meditation. These techniques can significantly improve your focus. Just a few minutes of deep breathing or meditation each day can clear your mind and enhance your concentration. Consider the story of Steve Jobs, who was a firm believer in the power of meditation. It helped him stay focused and make better decisions. Another strategy is to minimize distractions. Identify what typically disrupts your focus and find ways to eliminate or reduce these distractions. For example, if social media is a problem, use apps like Freedom or Stay Focused to block access during work hours. Use the power of habit stacking. This technique involves linking a new habit to an existing one. For example, if you want to start reading more, do it right after your morning coffee. This method leverages your existing routines to build new, productive habits. Personal anecdotes can be powerful motivators. I remember struggling to focus while studying for my exams. I started using the Pomodoro technique, studying for 25 minutes, then taking a 5-minute break. This simple method drastically improved my concentration and productivity. Finally, reward yourself for your discipline and focus. Positive reinforcement can strengthen these traits. When you complete a challenging task, treat yourself to something you enjoy. This creates a positive feedback loop that encourages continued effort. Discipline and focus are not innate traits but skills that can be developed with practice and persistence. Implement these strategies and over time, you'll notice a significant improvement in your ability to stay disciplined and focused. Remember, every small step you take brings you closer to your goals. Stay committed, stay focused, and watch as you transform your dreams into reality. You have the power within you. Keep pushing forward. You've got this.